ISTQB Foundation Level, question 393. Out of the following, which statements about test-driven development (TDD) is false? A. Test-driven development is a test-first approach to developing reusable automated tests. B. The test-driven development cycle is continuously used until the software product is released. C. Test-driven development helps to document the code for future maintenance efforts. D. The result of test-driven development is test classes used by the developer to develop test cases. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do, and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Correct answer is D, according to ISTQB Syllabus. As per the primary definition of test-driven development (TDD), it facilitates developers in creating test cases with the help of test classes. In test-driven development (TDD), the tests are written before the code is implemented, and the primary purpose is to ensure that the code meets the specified requirements. The tests themselves are not merely test classes used to develop test cases, but are functional tests that validate the behavior of the code during and after development. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because this statement is true about test-driven development. TDD emphasizes writing tests before the actual code to guide development and ensure high test coverage. Answer B is not correct, because this statement is true about test-driven development. The TDD cycle, write a test, write code to pass the test, refactor, is repeated throughout development. Answer C is not correct, because this statement is true about test-driven development. TDD inherently creates a suite of automated tests that serve as documentation by showing how the system should behave. My recommendation: please figure out different development approaches to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.1.3, testing as a driver for software development, in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that test-driven development (TDD) directs the coding through test cases instead of extensive software design. Tests are written first, then the code is written to satisfy the tests, and then the tests and code are refactored. This is consistent with the correct answer D. Last but not least, as you might have already guessed, looking at your titanic efforts, diligence, and perseverance, I expect a gigantic progress from you soon. I look forward to your success, which might happen overnight. Don't stop, never give up,